Hello. In today's lesson, I'll show you how to scan for floating point numbers. So let's click new scan, and we can delete this one if you don't want it, but I'll leave it there. So here we see there are two values, health, which is a floating point number, and MO, which is a double. If we click on hit me, health will decrease. So the floating point, we want to scan two things. We can either scan the first one and then add it to the table. When we finish with that, we will continue scan for the second one, MO, and then add it to the address table. Or we can do it simultaneously by adding another scan tab. So file, add scan tab, we have two. We can rename it if we wanted to. We can call the first one as health. And we can call the second one, right click, and call it ammo. And then for the first tab, we can set the value type as a float, and we can key 96.25. 96.25. And then for the second one, we can select double and key in the value 100. And then we click for scan. So we have one value for the health. We can add it to the table, and we can call this, double click the description to rename it health. And then for the ammo, now we click first scan for the ammo, and we also have one. So we can double click this to add it to the address table and rename this description as ammo. Next, we want to test. Let's click on hit me again, and now it changes to 95. Correct. Now we click on the fire, and ammo changes to 99.5. Correct. So we have found the two. So the objective is to set both values to 5000. So for this, we double click and key in 5000. For the second one, we double click and key in 5000 as well. And now we click hit me. Mission accomplished. Okay, so now we can click next to go to step 5. So this is how we scan for floating point numbers and double. Thank you for watching.